Hey designers! Ever felt overwhelmed when working on a branding project? With all the time spent on project management and creating documents like presentations, questionnaires and guidelines for new clients? It can really take the joy out of the creative process. But guess what? I found a way from drowning into paperwork to actually enjoying the design process. In this video I'm going to share my journey, how I went from chaos to order, getting more time for the good stuff. Ready to simplify a process and get back to the fun? Let's jump right in. Hey, my name is Jan Ditters, also known as Stylescape, and on this channel I help logo and brand identity designers to make their design life easier by sharing my experiences and knowledge. And in today's video I want to share with you the 13 high quality templates I have set up to streamline my brand identity design process, to gain more time for the creative stuff. Onboarding phase. Step 1. Initial consultation and brand discovery brief. When a new client approaches me for a logo and brand identity design, the journey begins with a brief call to scope the project. During this conversation, we tackle the first page of the brand discovery brief. The brand discovery brief is a template which dives into the what, who, why and how of the client. And on this first page of the brand discovery brief are a set of questions diving into the business information, the deliverables, the project's scope, and includes deadlines. So step 2, crafting the proposal. With the insights from the initial call, I create a personalized quote. This quote is presented in either a one-page proposal or a more extensive version. Depending on the client's needs and the project's complexity, the extensive version focuses more on the theme, the process, the timeline, and the next steps. Step 3. Design services contract and kickoff. Upon approval of the quote, it's time to formalize our collaboration. I provide a design services contract covering deliverables, project scope, payment policy, and more. So this contract is a template and only the name of the client, deliverables and investment and timeline has to be filled in for a new client. By the way, there's something special for everybody interested. I've made the design services contract available for free download on my Gumroad account. I will drop a link in the video description below. Once a client signs a contract, I promptly send over the invoice for the initial 50% deposit. This marks the official kickoff of the project. When the first payment is done, it's time for the research phase. Step 4. Comprehensive brand discovery. Now it's time for a deep dive. During our kickoff meeting, we explore the brand discovery brief a little bit. The detailed document focuses on the company's operations, the target audience, the competitors, the brand core, which contains the golden circle, brand values, mission and vision, the essence of the brand. We also discuss the desired tone of voice and the brand character. How do you want people to see and feel the brand? Step 5. Creating brand strategy. So next, we build on the insights gathered. We move into crafting the brand strategy presentation. This includes defining brand goals, identifying the target audience, conducting competitor research, and with the target audience and competitor research in mind, I start creating a positioning statement, mission vision, and a proposition. These elements lay the foundation of the brand's appearance, character, and visual identity. After I created the brand strategy presentation, it's time to focus on the visual creative direction of the brand. Step 6. Creating a stylescape. To bring the brand to life visually, I extract the most important keywords from our research and conduct visual exploration. The creative direction is determined through the creation of a stylescape, a visual mood board setting the look and feel for the logo and overall visual identity. In this example you see the stylescape I created from one of my clients named Auvi. After client's approval, the exciting design phase begins. This stylescape is also a template and therefore I don't have to put in a lot of time in the design of it. I just can change the logos, images, colors and typography. Next is the fun part, the design phase. Step 7. Logo and visual identity design. It is all about letting the creativity flow. I invest 1 to 2 weeks in the logo design process. In these weeks, I sketch and conceptualize the logo concepts and reflect on them and make some iterations until I found the best options. Next, I present 3 logo concepts. And once a client selects their preferred option, we expand it into the full visual identity, which contains typography, a color palette, iconography, imagery, and more are considered, creating a comprehensive package. At the end, the logo and visual identity design will be presented to the client in the form of a presentation. And then we move on to step 8, which is setting up brand guidelines and style sheet. Once a project is approved, the entire visual identity is documented in a brand guidelines document. Brand guidelines are crucial for maintaining a consistent and cohesive brand identity. They serve as a rule book, providing clear instructions on how to use your logo, colors, typography, brand's character, brand applications, and other brand elements across various platforms. This consistency builds brand recognition, trust, and helps establish a strong, memorable identity in the minds of your audience. Whether for in-house teams or external collaborators, brand guidelines ensure everyone stays on the same page, preserving the integrity of your brand in every interaction. Additionally, a one-page style sheet is crafted to provide a quick reference for fundamental identity elements. When this is done, I have completed the brand identity design project. So when the design phase ends, I make ready for the project delivery. Step 9. Delivery with the file format sheet. With the final payment received, it's time to deliver the logo and visual identity. This comprehensive package includes a logo and brand assets bundle and the file format sheet. A file format sheet is an information sheet which contains which file formats to use in various situations. Once we deliver the project and we have a happy client, it's time for the step 10, portfolio edition. Once a project is successfully completed, it proudly finds its place in my design portfolio. Not only is it a testament to my work, but it also serves as a magnet for potential new clients. And there you have it, my friends, my brand identity design process. From initial consultation to a complete visual identity. If you're curious about the templates I use, check out the Ultimate Brand Identity Design Bundle in the video description. This is a bundle I've created to streamline your design process and save you some time. And if you found value in this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel down below and hit that notification bell for more design insights. And I see you in my next video. Stay creative!